In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out during a presentation to improve your Canva slides. Whether you're creating a presentation from scratch or refining an existing one, being able to effectively use Zoom can help you emphasize key points and keep your audience engaged. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a user-friendly platform that allows you to create a variety of visual content, ranging from simple graphics to detailed presentations. Make sure to go to the official Canva site to ensure you're in the right place. Once you've landed on the Canva homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Remember to have your login credentials ready, like your email and password, to avoid any hiccups during this step. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard, which gives you access to all your previous designs and the option to start something new. Now you can either start a fresh design or edit one of your previous works. For this tutorial, let's jump into a design you've worked on before. Select it from the dashboard and you'll enter the editor interface, filled with various tools and options to enhance your presentation. To proceed with the presentation mode, click on the Present button. This will take your design full screen, providing a clean and distraction-free environment. Presenting in full screen is critical as it lets your audience focus entirely on the content without being distracted by the editing tools and interface of Canva. While in full screen mode, locate the zoom in and zoom out icons. Typically, these icons resemble a magnifying glass with plus or minus symbols, and they should be easy to spot. To zoom in, click on the zoom in icon, which allows you to bring particular design elements into focus. This feature is particularly useful for emphasizing details on your slides or discussing intricate data points. Then, to zoom out, simply click the zoom out icon. This action helps you to move back to the broader view of the slide, offering a way to regain the audience's attention on the overall theme or slide layout. Clicking and dragging the zoom controls can also provide more precise control over the zoom levels, allowing you to focus exactly where you need. By effectively using these zoom features, you can create dynamic and engaging presentations that capture your audience's attention. Whether you're highlighting important information or changing perspectives to keep the flow interesting, mastering these tools will give your Canva presentations that extra flair. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this technique helpful for your future presentations.